Hi guys, it's Kenneth here. I'm here today in Vejle. I've driven here to Vejle to go on a small gravel adventure. I've heard so much positive things about old Vejle Trail going back to roughly 80-90s called Bindeballe Trail, or in English it's the Bindeballe Trail. It's an old railway track that connected Vejle with Grindsted, a city more inland in Jutland, and then passing through Bindeballe roughly halfway through. That's why I'm here in Vejle. Just a bit about Vejle. It's a city here located at the end of Vejle Fjord. Beautiful, surrounded by lots of really nice nature. You have the hillsides on both sides of the fjord and lots of forest and animals and valleys. I think it's time to go and find the Bindeballe Trail. So let's get on the bike and head through the city center of Vejle, and then we will find the beginning of the Bindeballe Trail. So let's go. Okay, so now we finally found the Bindeballe Trail, and I must say I'm really surprised. The nature is like just really stunning. You just have birds everywhere, and yeah, it's just a really beautiful area. As you can see, with the river just flowing along the trail all the way, it's just amazing, and really no elevation at all, so this is perfect. But let's continue and find the small cafe at the end at the Bindeballe station. Yeah, okay, so roughly after 18 kilometers from where I parked in Vejle, you can see that now we finally reached a section with gravel. Until now it's been a normal cycle path with a tarmac, but now we finally reached the gravel section. So and it's still pretty nice out here in the nature. I'm not fully sure, maybe there's like 5 kilometers still until the Bindeballe train station. So we will head further inland and see what the gravel sections bring. Okay, finally reached Bindeballe station, and I must say, really nice rail trail, beautiful nature, and the weather is just perfect today. Just a gentle breeze, lots of sun, and now I think it's time to go inside. see if there's anything cake or lunch in the cafe. Then we are slowly getting back to where we started, back to Vejle. A nice gravel ride is coming to an end. This is definitely not the last time I'll be riding the Bindeballe Trail. But remember to hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.